Okay, this is our first stop. So, dito na ako sa loob. Okay. So, this is what's inside. So, hanapin natin yung reclining Buddha. So, ikutin natin to. First, let's walk here. Okay, so this is what's inside the temple. So I think it's inside there. So we will see where is it. So let's get inside of it. So I think so this is so here is the big reclining Buddha. So later we will go there, but first we'll go to the other temple. Okay. So let's go first here. I cannot read their language because it's all written in Thai. So I don't know Thai. So I'm just relying to what I see. So this is what we see here. So this is the first. This is the first one. Okay, so I don't know if we can get inside here, but this is the first one. You see? Let's see what's inside. Okay. So this is the first one. So before we go to the reclining Buddha, this is the first one that we see. Elephant, the most famous one here in Thailand. You will see in every temple that we go, they have elephants. Yeah, the last time I go is in, I don't know what's that place, but there's also have an elephant. So this is one of it. So let's go inside and have a look what's inside. Okay, so this is what's inside. Okay. So this is what's inside. You will see